how to get 120 FPS on Fortnite Mobile. So what you want to do is just load up your game, and here we will click on our profile icon in the top right corner. Now you want to go to the settings, so just click on settings and you will be able to see mobile frame rate. Now 120 FPS won't be available to everyone, but if you have a newer phone or iPad, then you will have the option of 120 FPS. However, if you have an older iPhone like I do, I have an iPhone 13 here, from the first option it can only go up to 60 FPS. But like I said, if you have a newer device, from this same switch you will have 20, 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and then you will have 120 FPS. You can just click on here to change it, click on apply, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.